Good morning and welcome back to the channel Mud Pig Maniacs. And I say good morning because we've got onto the reservoir, set our rods up, found two nice spots, and within the first 15 minutes I've not even had time to show you around the swim yet. We've had 3 takes, landing 2 fish which are currently in the net down there and need processing. So without further ado, I'm going to get those fish out of the net, take some video footage and some stills, and get back to you. So, as I said, we've had 3 very quick takes, this being the first of the 3. It's quite lively because it's been in net 10 minutes waiting for me to get rods back out. Nothing monstrous, but a nice little lively mirror. Does not want his picture taken. Come on, baby. So there you go. A nice little mirror. Around £8 or £9 to start us off. Couldn't have asked for a better start. Beautiful. And here we have the second fish of those 3 quick bites. An oddly shaped common, around the same size, £8 or £9. The third one we didn't lose due to a hook pull, but it's a barbless roll on here, so it's bound to happen here and there. Little man's happy, aren't you? Catching fish, aren't we, pal? Let's get this one back. Right, that's fish number 3 landed. Biggest one of the session so far at £18. Well, a couple of ounces, just over £18 actually. Yeah, it's turning out to be a good session. 3 fish from 4 bites. Only 1 loss due to a hook pull. Fish are very accurate. 2 separate spots, but both spots are doing fish, so couldn't really ask for much more. So now I'm going to get some more spud mix chucked over the spots, and fingers crossed for some more fish. See you soon. We've now had 5 bites and landed 3. Obviously nobody likes losing fish, but it does show that they are still in the area. So I've put another 5 or 6 spots over each rod. Hopefully that switches them back onto feed and we have some more action to show you soon. So until then, I'm gonna go and I will get back to you if I'm gonna catch some more fish. The wife's just turned up. We've not had no bites yet, but she's spotting and boshing for me. My little bosh spotter. No, she's my lucky charm. Normally when she comes we catch, so fingers crossed.
Little fella, pull it. Come on, good girl. Go on, Lila, you've got this, darling. You can, go, girl. That's it, baby, got it. Good girl, well done. Good girl, well done, Liliana.
Yes!
Good girl. Congratulations, Lil.
Did this. I knew you could do it.
You and Dad smashed that.
That was a good one. Go.
So that if one goes next, it's your turn, okay? Right, here we have Liliana's first ever carp. How much did it weigh, Lil?
9.9.
£9, 9 ounce for a first ever carp. Look at that. What a beautiful scaling here that is. And she's called it Carp. Typical Liliana name. Let's look at the other side. Look at that. Stunning fish. Happy? It's quite hard. Hard to get it in. Good girl. You say bye-bye. Come on, come on, come on.
Mom, these are the plates.
I know, mate, you're doing that.
Good job. Great job. High five. Teamwork.
Lift your head up. And this is possibly the last fish of the session. £10 8 ounce, caught by Jacoda. What do you want to call this one?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, he wants to call this one. A lovely comment, Carp. Well done, Jacoda. Look at the camera, smile. Well done. Let's get it back, let's say bye-bye to it.
Bye-bye.
Well, after another good session, we've ended up with 5 fish from 8 bites. Little man's caught one, daughter's caught her first ever carp. So, all in all, a very pleasant session, which we all really enjoyed. Like I said, we just drank net and sling and now, so potentially could get another one in that time. If we don't, we shall see you later. If we do, that'll mean it's the wife's turn, and I'll record her catching a fish. But like I said, if we don't, that's the end of the session. It's been a good one. I'll see you in the next one, guys.